Afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon to Miss.
Okay, so the evaluation today from the LP for this week, yeah, from 5 to 9. So we will start from the little steps. Please explain, Miss.
Okay, before that we ask about the checkpoint question first. Still about what do plants need to grow? It's like, what do plants need to grow? Plants need water, sun, soil, and air to grow. And after that, why the plants need water? Because so they don't dry out and can take the food, give the food from the soil. And after that, can you mention the things of the plants to plants yes, to plant acid? Yes, I can. They are soil, water, and then seed, and then a watering can, in yes, shovel. And after that, for the next, uh, what is the step to plant a seed? Okay, so the answer is,
If the steps, it means are, right? Not
yes,
what
what
is,
are, yes,
what
what
are.
are, yes, and the answer is, the first step is to dig a hole, and then after that, next put seed, next put seed in the hole, and after that, and then cover the hole by the soil, using soil, and after that,
Cover the hole or cover the seed?
cover the hole.
The hole.
Yes,
You put here the seed.
cover, it's like, in bahasa menutupi, right, Miss? Menutupi lubang.
I mean the answer you put cover the seed. So I just want to ask cover the seed or cover the hole, yes.
Okay, and then next,
So the answer is cover the hole,
cover the hole.
not the seed, yeah.
Yes, Miss. And then after that, what is the colorful part of the flower? It's called, it is called, so the answer is, it's called is petal. And after that, which part is missing in the picture? That's right. And then the answer is, there are, flowers, leaves, and roots are missing. That is all about checkpoint questions. And after that, we are going to do two exercise. And after that, we still have,
That's for reviewing the CP questions. So what are the questions for the new?
for the new,
Hmm.
it's like, what is your favorite fruits? My favorite fruits are apple and banana, but they can, make it the other if they have, the other favorite fruits. That's right, Miss. And after that, where do apples grow? Apples grow, in the tree. And after that, for, on Tuesday, we have, checkpoint questions, about, to count the apples. How many apples are there? There are 50 apples. And then about, what do plants we need? What do plants need to grow? There are, soil, sun, water, and air to grow. That ones. That's all about the checkpoint question for this week.
Okay, for the little step, there are some vocabulary. That's
Yes.
right. Can you mention the keys
Which one is,
for Monday and Tuesday? Monday first.
from Monday, there is about, vegetables and fruits: orange, potato, carrot, and apple. And after that, on
That's on Monday, yeah.
yes, Miss. And they that are,
How many? How many kinds? How many fruits? How many kinds of fruits?
so many, Miss, for
The key.
the key
The keyword.
vocabulary.
How many?
Keyword or key vocabulary, it's different because we have three: key language, keyword, and then key vocabulary. They are different.
Keyword.
Keyword. Okay, strawberry, grapes, apple, orange, and after that, grapes,
Grapes.
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 Okay.
And then for the key vocabulary,
key vocabulary, there are four: carrot, potato, apple and orange. And
On Tuesday?
on Tuesday we have so many key vocabulary. They are plants, dig, hole, seed, soil, a watering can, sun, water, air, finally, then, and next, like that, step, that one.
Key language on Tuesday?
Key language on Tuesday about to how many the apples, and then a set of 10, that one's.
Okay, for the next rainbow science.
Okay, so rainbow science, unit 4 about activities of the animals. We have checked question before from last week. It's like how does a cat sound? A cat says meow, and then after that, what is the
Is that for reviewing?
yes, miss? And then after that, what is the cat like to eat? A cat like to eat fish and meat, like that, miss. And then we have a new checkpoint question that is about the movement of animals. The first is how does a kangaroo can
How does a kangaroo?
yes
Kangaroo
Yes.
what?
kangaroo
How does a kangaroo?
it's wrong, right, miss? How do
No, your question.
yes
How does a kangaroo?
move?
Oh, that's what I meant. And then
How does the kangaroo move? The kangaroo can hop and jump, and then how the different move bird and fish. So the answer is the fish can has wings to fly, and then the bird has wings to fly, and the fish has wings to swim, like that.
does fish has wings? Does fish have swing? Yeah.
The bird has wings to fly, and then the fish has fins to swim.
Fins, yeah.
Fins,
Yeah.
yes.
Next for rainbow map.
Rainbow math. These are about number 16 and 17.
About?
The answer about 16 and 17 to count the things.
What is the topic
Yes, miss.
for the unit?
Fruits.
Yeah, for the unit of the rainbow map. What is the topic?
To count the numbers until 16 and 17. What do you mean, miss?
What unit did you teach for
Unit-
rainbow map?
Unit 4.
Yeah, so
That
the
is about
topic
fruits.
fruits.
I have told you last time. it's
Okay.
fruits. And then
I just ask again. Okay, next.
okay, so for the checkpoint question, still count the numbers 16 and 17. I give the example, it's like eraser. How many eraser in there? There are 16 erasers. And after that, what number comes from 7 and 10 and 7? So the answer is 17 comes from 10 and 7. There are only two checkpoint questions for a moment.
Okay, for reading English, can you?
Reading English
Explain
about
her.
on the trains.
What is it about?
So there are two children to go to somewhere, and then they go there by the train. Peter and Jane.
Peter and
Jane.
Jane. ASP matematika ngapain, Mas?
ASP Matematika minggu ini untuk ASP minggu ini ya, Miss. Tentang tanah airku, yaitu tanah airku apakah warna bendera dari negara kita yaitu merah dan putih. Terus yang kedua yaitu alat apa yang digunakan penjajah Indonesia untuk melawan penjajah. Alat yang digunakan adalah bambu runcing. Itu ASP Matematika, Miss.
Alat apa yang digunakan untuk
Melawan penjajah.
Satu lagi tadi?
Satu lagi tadi warna bendera Indonesia merah dan putih.
Untuk ASP Sains?
Untuk ASP Sains itu tentang apakah lambang keempat lambang dari sila keempat yaitu lambang keempat dari sila keempat yaitu kepala banteng. Setelah itu masih sama Miss pertanyaannya tentang warna bendera Indonesia adalah merah dan putih.
Pertanyaannya kok bisa sama, Miss?
Karena Miss indikator yang ada di halamannya itu tentang bendera Miss, jadi tetap menekankan itu untuk sambil mengingat kembali warna bendera Indonesia.
Oke, untuk ASP Bahasa?
Untuk ASP Bahasa itu yang pertama tentang cinta lingkungan kan Miss, melestarikan kebersihan. Jadi pertanyaannya apa yang kita lakukan untuk menjaga kebersihan, yaitu membuang sampah pada tempatnya. Lalu yang kedua yaitu ini Miss tentang Hari Kemerdekaan Indonesia, apa yang kita rayakan setiap tanggal 17 Agustus. Jadi jawabannya Hari Kemerdekaan Indonesia. Itu Miss.
Sebelumnya kan ada sesi review ya, boleh sebutkan Miss?
Sisi review yang dari mana Miss?
ASP Bahasa.
Kalau ASP Bahasa itu Miss, apakah lambang negara Indonesia? Lambang negara Indonesia adalah Garuda. Setelah itu sebutkan benda yang berkaitan dengan Indonesia, ada bendera dan Garuda. Itu Miss.
Okay. Untuk for the project Miss?
For the project for this week we will have transfer the seed using spoon by spoon.
Okay, how will they do that?
Okay, so I will put the bowl, yes, right. And after that, I will. Sorry, Miss. For this part, we will have one more bottle. So we have materials. There are bowl, bottle, spoon, and then green bean.
Green bean?
Yes, it's green bean. Only that one is it.
So you need spoon, green bean, and bottle.
And yes, bottle for the like this Miss. This is I will put the green bean inside the bowl. Yes, right. And after that, I need the bottle to transfer the green bean Miss. I forgot to put inside the tap.
Why not by the spoon?
Yes, by the spoon. But we want to move the green bean from the bowl, right, Miss? So we
move the green bean from the bowl to
the bottle. It's like the
the aqua bottle.
Yes,
no?
Miss.
Oh. So you mean that this part is small?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So what will they get?
Also, they feel so excited, and then they want to know about this project. Yes.
So another project is there?
Only that one is for this week.
Special activity?
Nothing.
Okay. Alright, this is Little Steps books. Please explain, Miss.
Okay, so this is about what do plants need to grow. Okay, from Unit 9. So before that, I will explain first about this one for this part. Okay, plants is a living things. Yes, right. And then a plant can be grow like I give you example. It's like baby. Baby is a small people, and then later they can be grow, and then they can be taller every years. Okay, and after that, for the plant too. So this one is part what the plants need to grow. Okay, so these are, if you want to plant something, it's like an apple tree, banana tree, orange tree. You need seed to uh, and then you dig, make it the hole first, and after that you plant the seed inside the soil. Okay, but before that I want to ask you to read for this word first. Okay, okay, plant. Okay, and then sun, soil, water, and air. So for this, we need these things to help the plants to grow. Because if we don't have soil and water and air, the plant cannot be grow. Because and then later the plant will be die if you just keep the seed inside the soil, and then you don't want to give the water, and then they can get the brightness from the sun, and then after that you just plant a seed. Later the plants will be die, and then they can get from they cannot to get the food from the soil. That's why we need sun, water, air to support the plants be grow. Okay, next miss. Okay, so this is story. This is story, miss.
Story.
Yes.
Have you turned to this?
Yes,
Okay.
teacher. Okay, so this part, what do we need to plant a seed? Okay, same like last time I explained to you, we still need water, sun, and uh, air to make it the plants grow. But this is materials before you want to plant a seed. Okay, for the first step, I will tell to you about the step to plant a seed. Okay, so for the firstly, you should dig the hole by the shovel. Yes, right. And then after that, you put the seed inside the hole. Okay, and after that, you and after that you cover the hole by the soil, that one. Okay, but before that I want to ask you to read for this key vocabulary first. Okay, like seed, shovel, hole, water, dig, and watering can, that one.
Only that.
Yes. Okay, and after that I ask you for the our exercise, I ask you to match them. Which one is the things to plant a seed? Okay, like this seed. We need this one or not? Okay, so I will to just make the line properly. Okay, that one is.
I think that's all for the evaluation today, Miss. The result here. For the review MCQ question, the answer should be same. Yeah, your answer should be same with the model answer that you put, right? Like just now you said to cover the whole, while in the answer, I mean in the LP, you said to cover the seat. Just make sure the answer. Yeah. So there won't be any misunderstanding later. Yeah. Or maybe when you explain the class, later you are confused, right? Which one do you choose? Like covering the whole, covering the seat, like that one. Okay, and then for this one, about these little steps. Have they known what is plan? What plan is? Did you explain it before?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah.
Living things.
Or did you explain
They
it?
are, yes.
Yeah.
It's like have roots, stem, flower, leaves, and
Yeah.
fruits.
That one the most important things, yeah. Plan, yeah. Did you explain it just now?
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss.
Yeah, okay then. And then you need to ask them to read together. See?
Yes.
Plant,
The key,
sun,
yes.
soil, water, air. Did you practice it in the class?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Yeah, that's only the one of the most important. They need to know the first is plant because the topic is plant, right? What
Yes.
do plants need to grow? So at first they must know what plant is, and then parts of the plant, like I mean, what are some materials or some things to support the plants grow, like that,
Yes.
right? And then they need also to remember that one: plant,
key,
sun,
yes.
soil, water,
Yes,
air.
miss.
So later when you want to do how to say that, maybe you want to do special activity, or maybe you want to make a small game, like you print out some pictures. They have known, oh, this one water, this one air, this one soil, this one sun. I think only that my feedback. For the rest, should be okay, I think. So you pass with a good result. I think that's all, Miss. Thank you.
Welcome, Miss.